Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Habibi wa habibti, sabahul khair, jamil wa jamilah, sabahul nur, sabahul ful, sabahul waj. Kifahak? Alhamdulillah khair. Al-an, yaumu thulasa, November 10, 2020. Hana waktu tadris. The lesson, mathematics. Still with me, Mu'alimah Siti Aminah Nasution. Ya labina, ya habibi wa habibti. Habibi wa habibti, today we learn about mathematics. Material about algebra, bentuk aljabar. You can see in book mathematics the page 89, 91, 93. And Mualimah will explain about algebra. Habibi wa Habibti, scientific for today, algebra, aljabar, algebra, aljabar, algebra, aljabar, algebra, aljabar. Indicator, students are able to determine the terms of the variable, coefficients, and constants. Students are able to determine the same kind and non-like ethnic group. Students are able to determine the algebra from factors. Habibi wa Habibti, we are continue about formula algebra. Algebra is a letter of symbol that represents a number whose value or magnitude is a noun. And in algebra, from there are terms called coefficient and constants. Di dalam aljabar terdapat suku, variabel, coefficient, dan constant. Is a variable, term, coefficient, and constants. Term is a part of algebra separated by a positive and negative sign. So the number of term is 3. Why become 3 the term or suku from algebra? The first, 5a power 2. Number 2, minus 3b, and number 3 plus 2. What is variable? Variable are letters that are close to number. Variabel adalah huruf yang dekat dengan angka. So, from example, variabelnya adalah A pangkat 2 dan B. Next, we are continue coefficient. Coefficient is number that is close to the letter. So, from the example, coefficient from 5a quadrat minus 3b plus 2, because coefficient angka yang dekat dengan huruf, we are look at angka yang dekat dengan huruf 5a kuadrat adalah 5 and minus 3b mean 3. And the last, constanta. Constanta is a number that stands alone. The example, constanta is 2. Jamil wa Jamila, we are continue number 2. In the following algebra, from determine the coefficient, variable, term, and the constants. Term or suku from algebra, x quadrat plus 2y minus 5 is term suku, there is 3, x quadrat plus 2y and minus 5. Variable from algebra, x quadrat plus 2y minus 5 is x quadrat and y. Coefficient. Coefficient from x quadrat plus 2y minus 5, because coefficient that is angka yang dekat dengan huruf. So, x squared, that is, there is coefficient 1. And from 2a, koefisiennya adalah 2. And the last, constanta. From the algebra, x squared plus 2a minus 5, constanta, we are look at, there is number stand alone, that is minus 5. Habibi wa Habibti Fofus Sabi, persistent, righteous, sincere, hardworking, and talent. We are look at, for example, number 3, minus 3a pangkat 3 b pangkat 2 plus 3a pangkat 2 plus 5b pangkat 5 minus 5ab pangkat 2 plus 3. So, suku from the algebra, there is minus 3a pangkat 3b pangkat 2 and 3a pangkat 2 and 5b pangkat 5 and minus 5ab pangkat 2 and 3. And variable, we are look at the variable, that is a pangkat 3 b pangkat 2 and a pangkat 2 b pangkat 5 and ab pangkat 2. Coefficient, we are look at, start from the first coefficient, minus 3, 3, 5, and minus 5, and constanta, that is positive 3. Jamil wa Jamila, the term in algebra is divided by 2. The first, like, kind, and the second, unlike. Suku sejenis dan tidak sejenis. Like terms are characteristic if the variable are the same and the exponent are the same. Example, minus 3xy and 5xy. And if different term, if the variable are different and the exponents are also, like example, 5a power 2 and 5a power 2b and 2x power 2 and 3x power 3. We are look at x, but the power different, so that is tidak sejenis. Next, we will discuss about the factor. In algebra, it has factor. Factor is the number that divides another number or a product evenly. The example, 3ab. What number is divisible by 3ab? 3ab, it means 3 times a times b. So, factor 3a and b, that is 1 and 3ab. And number 2, factor from 2a power 2 plus ab, the factor 2a power 2 plus ab can divide 1 and can also divide a. So the factor from 2a power 2 plus ab, 2a power 2 plus ab, 1 and a. Okay, that's all from the Mu'allimah regarding the algebra from that we have discussed, namely the term of a kind of variable, term constants, coefficient, and algebra factor. Syukron, ilal liqa. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.